that's my favorite kind of dessert. Make it easy. Everybody thinks you're brilliant, and you sort of go, oh yes, of course. It took hours. Not really. The longest thing that you have to do is whip the egg yolks. And I've got 4 egg yolks here and a half a cup of sugar. And nobody ever thinks about whipping egg yolks. We always think of whites. But the yolks, if you let them go for, 15, 20 minutes almost, they end up thick and custardy. And you want to whip them until a ribbon stays. So that when you run a ribbon like that, it stays on top of the egg yolks. And so then it gets nice and thick and custardy. Now, one thing I do differently than a lot of people, and I whip my egg whites as well. Then I add the mascarpone cheese, the Italian cheese, and then I add the whipping cream as well, so you get this very light, airy tiramisu that's not nearly as heavy as some of the others that you can get over there. The other component is lady fingers. Yes, you can make them. Why bother? Get them at the grocery store and they're great. You brew very strong coffee or use the powdered espresso. I dip it quickly. You don't want them soaked, otherwise they will fall to pieces. And then I just put them in a circular pattern if I'm using a pan like this, or you can use a square pan or a triangular pan or whatever else you want to use. And just get them in here. Bring these over here. Basically, if they're stiff enough, you can do that. Yeah, it's sort of like a blizzard, but they're nice and stiff and foamy. So I'm going to put in the mascarpone and the whipping cream that I whipped earlier, so we didn't have to wait on that. I mean, who wants to wait for dessert? And then add the whipping cream. Did you say that was whipping cream? Yes, ma'am. This is whipping cream. And I use the real deal, but it's now nice and creamy. And then all you do is pour it over your lady fingers. And then, if this were a real one, I put another layer in of ladyfinger, and then just take cocoa powder and sift it over it. Yes, please bring out the finished product, and then just shove it in the refrigerator until you're ready to eat it. And this is one of those things I consider tiramisu sort of a blank palette. You could put our balsamic cherries in this. As part of a layer
to look forward to. Let's make sure I get it.
Yes, there we go. Yes, there you go. Add something like the balsamic cherries to it to give it another bit of a little tang. Use your cocoa powder. I have used coffee in it. I've used Kahlua. That's nummy. Yeah, you can put alcohol in this and it's not going to change the composition. So just do anything you want to with it and have it.